Alternative labeling of functional locations should be carefully examined when working with third-party CMMS applications. Integration can introduce bottlenecks.
Never.
Never?
You only have to know, never. You only have to know when you activate the alternative labeling, you create a new database table. Without alternative labeling, you have a database table which is called IFLOT, I-F-L-O-T. And with creating alternative labeling, you create a second one, which is called IFLOS, I-F-L-O-S. And if you have external CMMS systems, you must program it for the two database tables, not only for one.
Interesting.
It's the same for analytical systems. I had a customer who has problem in the analytical systems because he programmed his reports for the IFLOT table. Doesn't know that he has a second table with IFLOS. So he reprogrammed his reports, and then it works fine.
And regarding your question, it's also about interfacing to third-party tools. It's also important with alternative labeling. You also get a technical ID, an internal technical ID, which is not in the transactions and apps and so on, but is very important for the interface if you program this.
Yes. You have an internal number, an unstructured number, and you have an external number.